we are spilling the beans tonight, and on to recipe number 3. This is our chicken and red kidney bean skillet.
Yes.
And I love this one for lots of reasons, but particularly we've got our one pan going tonight,
Yes.
so it's going to be
pan all the way.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we talked a lot about beans on their own, but beans are also a great complement to animal protein. You can add them to almost any dish. We're going to do a chicken and kidney bean skillet today. So we're going to start off by talking about the chicken, which we want to marinate.
Right.
Just super simple. I've got lemon juice. I've got garlic.
Also, I like you and your recipes because I think they all had garlic.
Everything has garlic in it, yes. Yes, I read somewhere that garlic is like the vanilla of cooking, where it's like you just use it indiscriminately because it always tastes good. But anyways, I'm gonna give that a quick whisk. I've got some smoked paprika, which is gonna give it a really nice smoky flavor, and cumin, and then just some salt and pepper.
That's it. That's a lot of pepper.
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Okay.
All right, so whisk that together. You are gonna put your chicken in here, and you can marinate it until you're ready to cook. Doesn't have to be long, 5-10 minutes. And we're using chicken thighs just cut up into pieces.
Well, I think with chicken thighs too, it's like they're really like tender and like it's very succulent, right?
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah. All right, so your chicken is ready. We're gonna throw it in the pan. I've got some diced onion and the chicken already cooking here. And really, once the chicken is about, I would say 1/2 to 2/3 done, it's gonna take about 6 to 8 minutes.
Okay. And I guess that depends a little bit on the kind of chicken you're using, or like if it's
and
breast.
also your stovetop. Sometimes,
fair enough.
I mean, you'll know your stovetop best, obviously.
Yeah.
But once it's about, I'd say, let's say 6 minutes in, we're gonna add some diced tomatoes. So if you wanna keep stirring.
So again, this is another recipe where it's, you're gonna have most of this stuff on hand already.
Pantry staples.
Yeah.
And then your full can of red kidney beans.
And you rinse those ahead of time, obviously. Give them a little rinse.
Yes,
or,
yeah.
No, I don't know.
No, you want to always rinse yours,
Yeah, okay. I mean, there it is, all right. So then how long, what happens now? Just like...
Okay, so remember we marinated our chicken in this. It's really important to remember to keep that marinade. Don't just put the bowl in the sink or put it in the dishwasher.
Okay.
Keep the marinade.
Because?
Because now that you've added everything, you're gonna add that. Whatever's left in the bowl, you're gonna add to this. It's gonna add a little bit of extra flavor, and of course that garlic, which we love.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna scrape that into there. And give that a quick stir.
And that's pretty much it.
And then you're gonna wanna cook until the chicken is completely done. Make sure you've got your meat thermometer handy. Cook that chicken to 165, and you are good to go.
Okay, and so, and how would you, like, we've got some chips here as far as our serving goes, but I guess you could do like a nice, crunchy bread with that.
Yeah, you can serve it with some crusty bread and a salad on the side.
Crunchy bread, crusty bread. You know what I mean.
And if you wanted to do like a weeknight meal, you serve it over some rice with a salad and some bread, and you're good to go.
Okay, so is this chicken cooked to the extent that I can actually, because I would like to give this a little try here.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so I'm not gonna fill that up. I won't eat the whole thing, but yeah, let's give this a go.
Yeah. So beans, like we say, super nutritious, super versatile. 1/2 cup serving, you're getting 9 grams of protein and fiber.
Whew,
so
there's the pepper.
Yeah, and the paprika
it's delicious.
too.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's really quite awesome. Yeah. Thank you so much. Delicious.
Of course.
Okay, so pulse crops are super, super exciting for a lot of different reasons. So they're good for the environment. They are budget friendly. They are very good for Manitoba farmers, and so yes, they're very exciting. We're going to show you how and why when we come back here on Great Taste of Manitoba.